Ah, hello and welcome. I am the awful chef, and somehow I'm hungry again. So I'd better make some dinner. Yeah, my camera angle is a little odd. My box is starting to lean on me. So what do we got? Well, we have a philosophical discussion about pulled pork. I like pork. I like the taste of pork. I'm not that fond of gross barbecue sauces or excessive barbecue sauces. So for me, pulled pork is just cooked pork, maybe with a sauce on top. So behind me, you can see it. Yeah, right about there. There it is. It's a slow cooker. I had a roast the other night, so I threw it in the slow cooker this morning. Little chicken stock. I am not participating today, sorry. Some red wine and a little extra water, just to make sure it was covered. Threw that in there and let it cook. Yeah, pulled pork, boiled pork roast. Fortunately, the pork roast was heavily marinated in garlic and rosemary and cooked up very nicely. So there's a lot of flavor in there to go with the chicken stock and red wine as well. So with that, we are going to have coleslaw, my style. So what do we got? Well, I got a bowl full of sliced cabbage that's been salted and oiled. Oh, let's see here. Oh, there we go, cabbage. What else are we going to do? The Mr. Cabbage. A little bit of red wine vinegar. Now, my wife and I have an ongoing disagreement, and dried oregano, about coleslaw. I like mine kind of fresh. She likes hers wilted. If you like yours wilted, salt and oil the cabbage about half an hour before you actually put it together. Black pepper. And ta-da! You have gourmet Italian herby style coleslaw. I'm trying to mix it together without throwing it all over the table. But yeah, you have a very nice shredded cabbage salad. Oh, there goes a little. That's good. Needs a little more herb, and it could use a little more salt, actually. Oh, what do I got here? Oh, salt, salt, salt. So, yippee, cabbage salad. Now we are going to be having a bit of a sauce tonight. We have choices. A good bottled sauce with properly cooked pork would not be a bad thing. Oh, but we have something else going on tonight, and that is that I made some sauce. See, that slow cooker thing is full of liquid. You take some of that out, you throw it in a pan, you boil it down. You get a very thick broth. Take that, throw in some apple cider vinegar, some classic yellow mustard, cayenne pepper, sweet and heat, and just for fun, a little miso soup base to thicken it up. Oh, and some Wondra Flour. And you'll end up with this, which is a magnificent smelling, although somewhat thin still. Yeah, you can kind of see it. Barbecue sauce. North Carolina style. Mustard and vinegar. Okay, that clearly needs to cook down a little bit more. Get a little thicker. sour and sweet and spicy and porky. And all those wonderful things that you expect from a really good barbecue sauce, without being excess of anything. So that's it. I'm the awful chef. That's pulled pork leftovers. We're going to make up some oven potatoes to go with this. So we'll have potatoes, pork roast, well, pulled pork sandwiches with Italian style coleslaw and potatoes. So that's it. Thank you. I'm the awful chef. This is social media. Please be social and subscribe and like and all of that good stuff. Thank you. Bye.